Okay, guys, you ready? Today, the TH sound. A little bit difficult for some of you. There are two types of TH sounds, okay? One is voiced. It goes like this. Look at my mouth. The other one is unvoiced, and it goes like this. Look at my mouth here. Okay, guys? So let me give you a few easy examples while you practice and okay, so for the unvoiced, let's start with the voiced. It's better. For the voiced, very common, we have the and another. For the unvoiced, we have thank you and Thursday. And it is Thursday today. Okay, let's try and practice it, guys. We got the, another, a thank you, Thursday. Okay, so keep practicing these. We're going to do something a little bit more difficult now. Let's bring it up a level. We're going to make a little longer words. So we're going to have, for the voiced, together. And for the unvoiced, it's a long one, enthusiasm. We ready? Together. Enthusiasm. Okay, guys, so I think now you're ready to step it up a notch. We're going to introduce some tongue twisters. Okay? So we got, for the voiced, I'd rather bother my other brother. Okay? One more time. Slowly. I'd rather bother my other brother. Okay, you got that? We're going to do it fast now. I'd rather bother my other brother. And even faster. I'd rather bother my other brother. Okay. Now for the unvoiced, we're going to do he threw 3 free throws. You ready? He threw 3 free throws. A little bit faster. He threw 3 free throws. And now real fast. He threw 3 free throws. Can you say them? Okay, I'd rather bother my other brother. Or he threw 3 free throws. You can do it. You're great.